So we've been doing Forex trading now for over 2 years, and I bring in tens of thousands of dollars with Forex trading every single month, and I do that on autopilot. I'm going to show you exactly how we use this system, exactly how you can use it as a beginner, and I'm going to show you what our earnings are every single day right here on YouTube. So if you're interested in finding a way to actually automate income and bring it in without having to put in so much work, keep watching this video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is From Failure to Freedom, and on my channel I actually work with people, teaching them how to make money online, and I actually do a ton of work for people in this aspect. So if you guys are interested in learning how to make money online, you can use some of my trainings on my channel. But today we're actually in the middle of a series. It's not really a series, it's basically a day-by-day profit loss from our trading platform and our trading software that we have. And I go into these profit loss videos every single day. You guys can go watch them right here. If you're on my home tab and you scroll down, you can find turn $1,000 into 1 million. And that's actually what we're doing. And we'll be making these videos every day. Well, close to every day, probably 3 to 5 times per week. Throughout the rest of the year, so you guys can see how what we're earning every single week. I also have a document that you guys can go through that talks about our profit and loss each week that you guys can check out. And as these accounts start to grow and get larger, you're going to be able to see what those numbers look like. Also, it'll open your eyes up to what you can expect if you decide to jump in and actually use it. So what am I talking about here? I'm talking about Forex trading. Basically, we've been doing Forex trading for the last 2 years, and we've developed a software that actually links with our personal accounts. Not so much links, but it basically sends out the signals that every time we place a trade, it sends out that signal to somebody else's account. So for example, if you're using our software, when we make a trade, it automatically gets made on your account. Now, the thing to talk about right here in the beginning is we have equity protection in place. So the equity on your account is protected. We have stop losses and take profits on every single trade that we do. So everything is monitored. It's real people doing this. There's real people trading this account. There is no bots. There's no algorithms. There's no AI. And as much as people would love to, believe that AI is a huge tool for the world of investment, it really doesn't work, or not how it should, or not how you would want it to right now in this day and age yet. Now, maybe in the future it could, but right now, still the best way to invest is to have real people managing these accounts. And that's what we've learned over the last few years doing Forex. We're at the point now where we decided to launch this publicly. I actually run a coaching company for affiliate marketing, and we started off offering it publicly to those coaching clients about 8 months ago. And they loved it so much, and we weren't even going to put it out publicly, but they loved it so much, and they said, this is something that you really should put out there for other people to use. So really, we're just doing this to offer it as a service. It's not expensive to use, super cheap. Anybody can afford it. The minimum that you have to put in is $500 to actually start seeing a good return. Now, this is an investment. This isn't, a get-rich-quick scheme. So there is none of this crap that you see the online gurus telling you that, yeah, they're making $100,000 a day, and you can expect to do that if you follow their system. We're not doing that. We're taking a small account of $1,000. That's what we started with this account, and then we bumped it up to $5,000. And just over the last 5 weeks, we've made almost $5,000. So we've almost doubled that account. We actually did, but there was a deal here with the broker that we had to deal with, but just didn't show it on our data. But anyway, anybody following this understands. So it wasn't anything serious or anything like that. But the benefit for you guys is it's all hands off. We handle all of the trading. We handle all of the account management. Now, you guys still have access to your own broker accounts. We don't have access to your brokers. So if you guys want to add money or take money away, like say you make $5,000 and you're like, hey, I want to pull out 4,000 and leave the extra 1,000 to trade. That's totally up to you. You can do that 24/7. We have a very trusted broker that we use. And where you guys can actually go to get started and to learn a little bit more about this would be on myfreedomfx.com. You guys can sign up right here. That's going to just take you over to a tutorial that talks to you about, what we're doing. And a little bit more in detail, but also shows you how to set your account up on it. And we have a recommended broker that we use. The reason that we like to try to keep the brokers the same is because then the spreads are always the same. We know exactly what's happening with that broker. That's the broker that we trust and we use, and we've built this kind of platform around. So safe to go in with it that way. I don't, if you have another broker that you want to use, I mean, go for it. If you have if you have access to MT4 or MT5, that's fine. But again, the spreads are going to be different. So I would recommend just using this broker. Now, what you guys could do if you want, throw something in and test it. That's what I say to everybody, is just go test it yourself. You can see our data 24/7 right here. You can click on view signal on myfreedomfx or app.myfreedomfx.com. That's our software. When you guys get in here, you can view exactly everything that we've had happening with our account since we put it out there in the public market, and that was January 12th of 2024. You can see all of our wins, our win rate. Our percentage is 70%. Our loss is 29%. There's going to be wins and there's going to be losses. This is real life. This is investing. And again, what I like to tell people is, when you're looking at trading Forex, the way that you should look at this as is an actual investment, not a money-making, super thing or something. I don't know. I hear so many weird things that people tell me with, within this industry where somebody reached out to them on social media to go and sign up for some bot, and the bot blew all their accounts, or it did really well for 3 months and then their whole account was gone. We don't have any of those problems because we manage we manage the equity in the accounts with monitors, and we use stop losses and take profits on every trade. So yeah, some trades are going to lose, but you can actually see our monthly and our daily and hourly win to loss ratio. You can follow that, and you'll have access to this software yourself. You can actually access it right now if you go to app.myfreedomfx.com. That'll take you right over to this page. I'll show you right here. That shows the signal that you're following. You can click on view signal, and that's going to take you right here to our data so you can check it out for yourself. And when you guys link up and actually get the software, get access to this, you're going to have your own account here just like this, so you can monitor your account and see what you're doing. And if you have multiple accounts inside of that, you can monitor each one of those. But it's really simple. Takes about 20 minutes to set up, just following our tutorial, and then you can just go ahead and let it ride, man. That's what I'm saying. But this is our update video for today. I actually went over this on Friday. We haven't traded since Friday, but I wanted to make another video just letting you guys know it's Sunday today. Market's about to open up, and we will be going live with trading by tomorrow morning. We do a couple trades at certain times early morning, so you'll probably see some trades coming into your account already at that point, especially for some of the new people who maybe are just getting into this. But here's our document. Again, in the video description, you guys, if you click on the video and you scroll down underneath it, the one that you're watching right now, and click on more, you're going to have the link right here that takes you to our tutorial and how you guys can get started. And here's our document that you guys can make a copy of it or just follow along with, and that'll tell you everything that we're making. But yeah, feel free to watch every day if you want, and come back and check out these videos. There's nothing to hide here. We're keeping everything out in the open. You guys will be able to see what's really happening. The other thing you guys can do is go join my Facebook group right here, From Failure to Freedom. And we have, thousands of people in here using my training and using the tutorials and everything to make money. So this is a great place for you guys to go if you're looking at, trying to find a way to bring in some extra capital or looking into the Forex thing. And once you guys are in here, just send me a message and I can send you a link over to our Forex Trading group, and you can go join that as well. So you can actually just type it in here. If you type in My Freedom FX on Facebook, you'll find our trading group as well, and you can come see all of our updates and stuff in there as well. So there's access here for you to talk with people, real people like myself, and see how other people are doing, and just to follow along, do your own due diligence, and you can follow. I don't care if you watch these videos every day, you're going to see the exact data on what's happening with our accounts and the growth that we're having. So I'm pretty open to showing all this just because I've been doing this for a long time now, and I think it's going to be a benefit to you guys. So yeah, anyway, that's going to be it for the update video today. If you guys want to get started, you can go to myfreedomfx.com. You can go to my Facebook group, send me a message. We can talk about it if you want. And yeah, I always get asked this question, what's a good starting point with this investment? $500 is minimum. But in reality, the faster you can get your trading account up to like $5,000 or $10,000, the faster it's going to start growing. And once it does start growing and compounding, it really grows quickly. So let's look at a $10,000 account. By the way, our projection, our goal for each month is 15 to 18% profit. But usually we hit higher months than that. Some months, you can even see on our data, some months we've hit 55%. Last month was 61%. Here was a 15%. We had an 18% loss in March. This month, actually, this is a positive right now. It just looks like this because of the broker, and we can't update our software. Our software runs live, so with anything that happens, we had the broker that we were using merged with another broker. They merged together as a company, and the very first trade that was taken on their software didn't pan out because their software were still merging together. They had it all figured out and fixed now, but they had it actually fixed that day, and they gave us the money back for it anyway, but it still shows up in our system like this because we want to keep it live and we don't want to change any kind of data or anything like that. So that's why this month, this is actually a positive. It'll still go up into positive. I think by the end of the month, you'll see it anyway, but yeah, that's, I mean, it's balls in your court. If you guys want to jump in, check it out. Let me know. And yeah, that's going to be it for today's update video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you're notified when the next video drops. Oh, actually, there is one thing that I wanted to show you guys. This is what we were talking about during this. So let's look at our projection. So on a $10,000 account, if we times that by 1.15, which is 15%, which is our lower end of projection, let's do 12 months at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that $10,000 would be up to $53,000. But let's look at another 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's 2 years basically of trading, just leaving your money there. That's 2 years of where it will be with a $10,000 account. Now let's look at another 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $1.5 million on a $10,000 account over 3 years. There is nothing else in the world that can offer you that same growth with low risk, in my opinion, right? Because I mean, I've been doing this a long time. I make a lot of money. I make 7 figures every year with affiliate marketing and Forex. And what we've come up here is really something special. So yeah, that being said, guys, you guys have a great day. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified when my next video drops so you can follow along with these. If you have any questions, need any help, that's my cell phone number at the bottom of the screen. You can always contact me. I'll always get back to you. That's my number. Nobody else uses it. So if you need any help, let me know. And if you like this video or if you got anything out of it, if you appreciate it, let me know with a like. Leave me some comments with any questions or anything like that. And I will see you guys in the next update video tomorrow. Take it easy.